Hello, grade 4 parents and students. This is the grade 4 Gazette for the week of February 11th. I'm sorry I'm recording it a bit later. This week has been really crazy. But to start off, our learning objectives for the week in reading, students will be reading The Case of the Two Hot Apples cider. They'll be practicing their oral fluency and identifying characteristics of the genre mystery in a reader's theater. In writing this week, students are continuing to research ancient Egypt and learning how to gather and organize resources. Ask your child what questions they are researching. Students can also do research at home. In math, we are close to finishing our unit on division and beginning Unit 4 with equations and word problems. The unit includes the following concepts: reasoning and problem solving, comparisons, multi-step word problems, and analyzing patterns. In science, we will be testing our rocks, fossils, weathering, and erosion this week. Then we'll be moving on to social studies, culture of Egypt, ancient and present day. For the next 3 weeks, please encourage your students to review the PowerPoint videos and notes at home and research the answers for any questions they might come up with. And in the SST corner, reading is to the brain what exercise is to the body. When you exercise frequently, your body becomes stronger, healthier, and builds endurance. Just like with exercise, when you read fluently, you develop a stronger, smarter, and more knowledgeable brain. For over here, we have some announcements. The field trip to the Wadi Degla is coming up next week. The Wadi Environmental Science Center is a registered Egyptian company dedicated to progressive outdoor environmental education. The goal of the WISC is to complement and build on what is currently taught to Egyptian students in the field of science. Students learn from cooperative collaboration, hands-on and inquiry-based discovery. Students learn about their environment and cultural heritage through science, water, renewable energy, waste management, pollution issues, environmental sustainability, biodiversity, and climate change. The grade 4 students will be discussing different kinds of rocks, how rocks are formed and classified, as well as many other topics. And toys, toys, toys. We, after reading the novel Sadako and the Thousand Paper Cranes, the grade 4s will be having a toy drive for the Children's Cancer Hospital of Egypt, 57357. For our toy drive, please make sure that toys brought in are new, as used toys are not allowed by the hospital because of bacteria and things like this, and the patients at the hospital have compromised immune systems, so toys need to be new and sterile. And mark for your calendars, the 14th is Valentine's Day. February 18th, 4E will be visiting the Wadi Degla. February 19th, 4D and 4B will be visiting the Wadi Degla. And February 20th, 4A and 4C will be visiting the Wadi Degla. March 29th, there will be a walkathon. And iknowit.com, we talked about this resource last week, but if you're just watching for this week, it's a great website for students to practice extra math, so go to iknowit.com and check it out. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great rest of the week.